Greetings. Today I'm going to talk about how I purchased a new DJI Mavic 4 from eBay from a Korean reseller so I could get it to the United States, because you cannot buy these drones in the United States from DJI directly or from Amazon or other like bigger electronics stores. I purchased this in August 2025, took 8 days to ship. This is the store I purchased it from on Amazon. With sales tax to San Francisco, California, it cost like $3,300. So that's Xijing. That's where it was made in China. This is where it was shipped out of in Korea, and the tracking shows that it went to this other city next, and from there it went over to Japan, and then from Japan it went to Alaska, but not before going to another city in Japan. And after going to Anchorage, Alaska, it went to Indianapolis. And after going to Indianapolis, it went to Oakland, California. And after that, it went to my house in the San Francisco area. So it shipped in 8 days. And there are drop shippers who are selling this box in the United States for like $1,000 more than you can get it on eBay. Okay, unboxing it. Everything looked like it was made to specification, except it's the EU's model, so the EU equivalent of the FAA stuff is included in the paperwork section of this document. But yeah, it's got all the spare props and the 3 batteries. I got the radio controller number 2, the RC number 2, because it's like $1,000 cheaper for the whole set, and it's going to work well for me. But yeah, everything else looked good to go, and I just plugged it in with a USB-C charger overnight outside just in case there's any battery fires. Everything did fine, no fires. And the 100-watt charger this comes from has a European plug, so didn't end up using that. I'll have a longer video of this on my YouTube channel showing all the unboxing in real time, so if you want to see that, you can. But ultimately, it just looks really good. Smells a little bit like a fish factory, but overall super impressed with the unboxing experience of this product. After that, it was time to fly it, and I had to connect it to my DJI account, and after that it flew. So I connected it to Wi-Fi and it flew just fine in the United States. It was quieter than the Air 3, my other drone. That was surprising, but I'm just glad it all worked out. I'm glad I was able to get this with the United States ban on freedom when it comes to drones and access to these really cool technology things. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around.